You probably all know ChatGPT, and it is this kind of generative artificial intelligence which will have an impact on today's and future learning scenarios. I'm Karl Steffens from Cologne University, and together with Vanessa, Esteve and Mariona Grané, we will be leading track 3, learning scenarios. So learning scenarios are very dynamic and are situated in a highly digitalized environment. And it is the task of educators to make sure that these environments become truly transformative. In our track 3, we want to analyze the problems and the challenges that face us in this context. And we would like to invite you to participate in these reflections at next conference, FIET conference in 2024. Thank you.